Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download ProofHub for project planning and progress tracking. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your device. In the search bar, type ProofHub and hit enter. Click on the official ProofHub website link from the search results. Once the homepage loads, look for the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. You will be directed to a sign up page. Here, you can choose to create a new account by entering your email address and a password. Alternatively, you can sign in if you already have an account. After filling in your details, click on the Start My Free Trial button. You may be prompted to verify your email address. Check your email for a verification link from ProofHub. Click the link in your email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the ProofHub website and sign in. Now, you can explore the features offered by ProofHub. To download the ProofHub mobile app, scroll down to the footer of the web page. Look for links to the App Store or Google Play Store. Click the appropriate link based on your device. If using an iOS device, you'll be redirected to the App Store. Tap on the Get button to begin the download process for the app. For Android users, the Google Play Store will open. Click on the Install button to download the app. Once the download is complete, locate the app on your device. Open the app and log in using your ProofHub account credentials. You're now ready to use ProofHub for project planning and progress tracking. Explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with its features. Begin creating projects and tracking your progress effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.